Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to create a QR code in Python and I will explain the code so even beginners can understand it. Let's get started. So first we need to install the QR code library in Python and so we can just open our terminal and just type here pip install QR code and just press enter. So I already downloaded it so I can go directly into the code. In the first we need to import QR code. Basically this line imports the QR code library so we can generate QR code in Python, and after that we need to create URL and we can simply use input and simply type here enter the URL, and simply we can simply use strip. Basically here we can ask the user to type a URL, and this strip removes extra spaces at the beginning or end. And after that we need to create our file path, path path, and simply we can paste our location where we need to download our QR code. So I can go here and we can go to our properties and simply use this location so I can generate QR code on the desktop. And after that we need to paste this and we can use here double slash. Here I can again use double slash, and in the last we can use here qrcode.png. Basically this sets the file path where the QR image will be saved, and you can change it to any folder if you according to your choice. And after that we need to create our QR, and we can use here QR code, and simply we can use QR code. Basically this creates a QR code object which will hold the data for our QR code. And again we can use here we can use QR. So again I can use here QR dot add data URL, add data, and we can pass here URL. Basically this line adds the user enter URL into QR code object, and we can use image, and again we can use your QR dot make image. Basically this converts the data into QR code image and stores it in the variable image. And in the we can use your image dot save, and simply we can pass here our file path. This saves the generated QR code image into the file path we defined earlier. And in the last we need simply print a QR code was generated successfully. Mm, this prints a message to confirm that the QR code has generated successfully. Now just run the Python file and enter any URL. So I can run, and we can simply enter my URL. So I can use https and www.youtube.com, and simply at the rate rohit ar 5967. So this is our my URL, so I can enter, and here you can see now QR code was generated successfully. Here you can see now our QR code is generated successfully. You can scan to redirect your account directly, and even you can use different URL like YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc., and send your QR scanner to your friends to redirect your account directly. And if you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.